Hi, I hope you're having a great day. My name's Shireen, I'm the founder of Ivy Wild. I just thought I'd do a quick video just to keep you guys in the loop about the upcoming events. So the 23rd of May is the Cornrow and Braiding Workshop in Birmingham. The 6th of June is the Cornrow and Braiding Workshop in London. For both events, you are going to be able to learn how to cornrow and how to braid alongside myself and a professional hairdresser. So if you didn't get the chance to learn over the lockdown period, now is your best chance to do so. In both events, we actually teach people about scalp conditions, vitamin deficiencies. We also touch on hair porosity, all that good stuff to actually help you along your natural hair journey. This is so much more than just teaching you how to cornrow and how to braid. We're actually giving you the knowledge behind it as well. There is nothing that you need to bring other than yourself, a notepad and a pen. All the equipment is going to be provided. We are even going to provide refreshments for you. For those of you who previously had tickets for last year, of course, we couldn't host last year because of the pandemic. So for everyone who had tickets for last year, there's nothing else that you need to do. Your ticket will give you access to the event. So if you had a ticket for an event in Birmingham, the same ticket will be used for an event in Birmingham. Same for the event in London. If you had a ticket for the event in London, you can use your ticket for the event in London. You should have had a notification. If that hasn't come through already, then please send an email to info@ivywild.co.uk. There are still tickets available for these two dates. So if you know other people that would like to come along, share the links that's provided in this original email or in the description bar below, and that should be able to give them access to purchasing tickets. I am so excited about being able to sit down with you guys and talk hair, natural hair. I've been lonely. I'm really grateful for every single customer who's been patient with us during this very difficult time. Now let's get back to natural hair care. Thank you very much for listening to the video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.